Here's how to recover your deleted messages from computer. Just go to your Facebook and click on your profile photo and go to your Facebook settings. In settings, select account center. Under account center, select your information and permissions. In here, click on export your information. And now click on create export and select here export to device. Now click on customize information. Clear all to deselect everything. We have to select only messages. Click on save. Click on notify. Add here our email address to get notified when your file is ready to download. Click on save. Click on date range and select a date range you want to recover your deleted message. For example, I want to recover all deleted messages for last 3 months. So I'm selecting last 3 months and clicking on save. And format, select HTML. Media quality, you can choose media quality. Now all you have to need, click on start export. And now verify your Facebook account password. Click on continue. And as you can see, your information is being prepared for export. We will let you know when it's ready to download. So after a few hours, just come back to this page again, or you can go to the email address, which email address you added inside of notified email address box. So here we can see the file is now ready to download. I'm just downloading this file from here. So we can see the zip file downloading. Once downloaded on your computer, open File Explorer, go to Download folder. Here, unzip the zip file. Open the folder. In here, all you have to need, open this Start Here HTML file. And under Messages, you have to click on Your Messages. And here you will find all your message conversations, including all of your deleted conversations. Just go ahead and open any chat, and from the chat you can easily read all your deleted messages, just like this. So this is how you can actually recover our Facebook deleted messages on computer. Thanks for watching.